I took these planters and I spray painted in gold, and I took these back massagers and spray painted as well. Then I'm going to take some hot glue and attach it to the bottom and some candle holder to the middle, and then take some floral foam and attach it and put some candle and some candle holder like that. I put some greenery as well. You could place some garland, or you could leave it as that. It's up to you. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. This is so simple to do. You could do this at home and inexpensive. You could do it for any party. For the next DIY, I got 5 of these planters, and I'm just going to go ahead and spray paint it in gold as well. I'm going to put some hot glue and attach each one. Then I put some rocks inside just for weight. Then continue attaching it until you attach the whole thing. And once you attach all of them one by one, I grab this plate and I'm going to spray paint it in gold as well. Put some hot glue and attach it to the top. You could place a mirror as you can see on the top. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. Something so cute that you guys can do at home as well. For the next DIY, so I took a Dollar Tree planters, and then I took this candle holder, and I'm going to put some hot glue on top of the candle holder, just all around it, and then attach the planter on top. Then I took my spray paint and painted in white. I took these pearls, which I'm going to just go ahead and attach it all around my planters and the bottom part. Then I took 3 floral foams and attached it at the bottle. Then I'm going to just go ahead and place my flower all around it. Then I took this egg and I'm just going to put a little bit of the stick and attach it all around the planter. This is how cute, you guys, it turns out. Super cute and easy to do. Another idea, you could just do it plain, whatever color you have in your home decor or in your party decoration if you're using it for party. And then this is another way that you guys can place a candle on top. So go ahead and take these Dollar Tree planters, and I took also this glass ball, and I'm going to spray paint it. You can spray paint it whatever color you would like. And then I took it and I put it upside down, put some hot glue on top, and then attach your planters on top. And here you can spray paint the whole planter if you would like. I just did some of it and I didn't do the middle. Then go ahead and attach your glass on top, and then just place some garland, greenery, or whatever you have available all around your planter, just like that. And then go ahead and put your flower all around it as well. And then I did the big one, then I did some small. This one you could do however you like and however you think it will look cute on your decorations. Then I put a small glass and the candle inside. For the next DIY, I just put the small candle holder and then the glass on top. And then I put my candle inside, and this is the first DIY. It turned out super cute. It's so colorful, and you could do different colors if you would like. And then this is the second one. I hope you guys like it, and thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. And let's not forget to comment and share. One of these little small planters, I'm going to take my spray paint and paint it in gold. You could do any color that you would like. Then I took a candle holder. I'm going to put some hot glue and attach it to the bottom just like that. Then I took some flour and I'm just going to place it all the way around it. And you could also do the glass first instead of the flower. Then I put some hot glue and attach the glass on top. Then I put my candle, and this is a smaller version that you guys can do as well, not just the tallest one like this one. But this is how cute it turns out. This is something so simple and easy and fast that you guys can do at home for your next party decorations. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.